Going to have the small children a whistle. Is that alright? The big children don't need it. But everybody is going to get ice cream. Everybody will get ice cream. I didn't hear you. Ice cream. Hear you. Ice cream. And those who scream will get ice cream. Oh my gosh, I feel like I want to eat one now. Stephen, the truck bringer? Yep. Oh no, I'm so sorry. There is no ice cream. Manny said he knew that there's going to be none. You what? You know there is all those who want ice cream. Oh, so this is what we are now going to sit down in and see which, if you sit in the right seat. Anybody want to change your seat? Anybody want to change your seat? Anybody want to go where you want to sit? Go and sit anywhere you want to go and sit. Go where you want to sit. Change your seat. Hope you do the right thing. Any seat. Right here. There we go. Right here. You can sit right here. Yep. You come right here. Come right here. You can come back right here if you want. You can sit right here. You can sit right here. Sharing the whistles. You come right here. So there we go. We've got 5 college students who are helping us here. So we're gonna ask the first one who liked the song. And if anybody guess which song she likes and Myra likes, Amira, you have a chance of choosing anything here. Amira, come in here. She told me today she's been singing all day one song. Who want to guess what song she was singing?
Raise your hand,
raise your hand. What song, Manny? A song named You. What you think? What? Jesus' love is bubbling over that bench. You can trust God. You can trust God. You. Which song? You can trust God. So this girl said it a whole word. She's gonna choose what you want from here, baby. Come quickly. On the back table.
How do you take the splash?